In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your payout method on Gumroad. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter so you can start receiving your earnings without any hiccups. First, head over to Gumroad. Once you're on the site and inside your account, go to your dashboard, and this is the main control center for your products, sales, and account controls. If you're using a computer, you'll typically find the dashboard link in the top navigation or the sidebar. On mobile, it may appear inside a menu icon. The idea is simply to reach the place where you manage your creator account. From your dashboard, find and click Settings. Settings is where you control your account preferences, notifications, and financial details. We're going into this area to make sure the money you earn has a secure place to land. Inside Settings, select Payments. This section manages how you get paid, including your payout schedule and the details Gumroad needs to transfer funds. Think of it as the bridge between your sales and your bank account. Now scroll down to the Payout Method area. Depending on your location, you may see options related to bank transfers facilitated by Gumroad's payment partners. The page will clearly indicate what's required to connect your bank. Take your time here. Accuracy matters, and mismatched information can delay payouts. When you're ready, enter all necessary details for your bank account. This typically includes the account holder name as it appears on the bank account, the account number, and region-specific identifiers like a routing number or IBN. Make sure the name and address match what your bank has on file and choose the correct account type if that option is presented. If you operate as a business, use your business account details. If you're a sole creator, your personal account may be fine. Just be consistent. It's a good idea to have a recent bank statement handy to verify numbers and avoid typos. You may also be prompted to confirm identity details for compliance. Follow any on-screen instructions so your payouts won't be interrupted. Once you've entered everything, review carefully and save. That's it, done. Gumroad will now use this payout method for your future earnings. Keep an eye on your payments or dashboard area to see your next payout date and status. If you ever change banks or notice a mistake, return to this same payments section to update your details. With that, you're set up and ready to get paid smoothly on Gumroad.